Welcome to Telugu Tech Bear. Today we are going to discuss about program. Means what is programming? What are the things we need to keep in our mind when we are going to do something about a program? We'll have a glance on programming. Okay, let's start. Before we entering into a program, let me know about two things. Means what is an algorithm? Okay, algorithm is a step-by-step procedure that helps to solve a problem. For example, if we want to find anything, like if we want to find an average of three numbers, first we have to do the addition of the three numbers, then we have to divide the three numbers with 3, then we can get the average of those three numbers. This is about an algorithm. So what is a flowchart? The diagrammatic representation of an algorithm is called a flowchart. What is a program? Now we will dive into the main matter. Program is nothing but a set of instructions which we give to the computer to perform certain tasks. Okay, the languages which we are going to use to do those programs are called programming languages. These programming languages are divided into three types. They are machine level language, assembly level language, high level language. Now we will discuss about what is high level language, what is machine level language, what is assembly level language, what are the differences between those languages. We can know about everything. Just wait for some time. Machine level language is the lowest level of programming language. Actually, this machine level language deals with the binary data, that is zeros and ones. It is directly interacted with the system. Okay. For example, operating systems like Linux and Unix comprise of this machine level language. Assembly level language. This is a middle level language. Here we are going to use certain commands. Command is nothing but a set of instructions. Here assembler acts as an intermediate that converts the commands given by the user into the machine language. So whatever the commands given by us convert into the machine level language with the help of an assembler. An example for assembly level language is Pascal. High level language. This is the one which is most familiar to the users. This is very understandable to us. Okay. The instructions in this language are called codes, or they are also called as scripts. The high level language needs compiler or interpreter to convert high level language to machine level language. The examples of this high level language are C, C++, Python, Java, like that. Okay. Now we will know about what is compiler and then what is interpreter. Compiler. Compiler executes the program at a time. Okay. Actually, the compiler generates an executable file by which we can get an output by giving some input data. Okay, it doesn't involve, it means the compiler doesn't involve after generating an executable file, so it runs independently. So the compiler doesn't involve once the program runs, so it is faster comparing to interpreter. Actually, what is interpreter? It means what interpreter is going to do. Interpreter executes the program line by line, doesn't generate executable file. It involves every time whenever the program runs. So it is slower comparing to compiler because the program needs to run every time whenever we need to get some output data by giving some input data. Okay. Examples of this interpreter are Python and JavaScript. Examples of compiler are C, C++. And we will know clearly about compiler programs in the next class. Means in the next class we are going to start the compiler languages, that is C++. Okay guys, let's meet in the next class. Bye bye.